welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to push your Docker file image to your Docker Hub repository. Initially we have created the image of this file. Now we are going to push this image into Docker Hub. Before that, let us run this project. How this works, please see it. Streamline run app.py. So this is it. This is how our projects look like. It is running. Just wait for a few seconds. So you can see this customer satisfaction prediction. It's an overview of total tickets and average satisfied customer in percentage, which is of dataset details, and EDA operations are this, where we have performed certain operations. This is the model performance, where you can see the confusion matrix and ROC curve. You can view it in large size. Okay, so next thing is live prediction. You can give ticket description and all the required below details, and if you predict, you can see customer is satisfied or not satisfied in probability. Dataset view, the complete dataset which I have provided regarding this project. Now let us see, just press Ctrl C to stop this localhost. Now let us see how to push this image to Docker Hub. Just kill the terminal, just open another terminal. Here, first of all, you have to check, do you have Docker account? Just enter docker -- version. You'll get the version of the Docker file. Once you get, just enter Docker images. So you can see I have an image called customer satisfaction prediction, that is of this project. So I'm going to push this into Docker Hub. Before, I'll show you my Docker Hub. Here you can see I don't have customer satisfaction prediction. That is here. This is my Docker Hub. This is my local system. What are all the images which I have in local system will be present here. In my main Docker Hub, you can't find my Docker image of customer satisfaction prediction. So when I push it, you can find this satisfaction prediction over here in my hub. So for doing that, just enter Docker login. Once you enter login, it will be authenticating with existing credential that I have using my channel name Veda in my application in my system right now. Logged is successfully. Next, you have to tag your image, that is Docker tag customer satisfaction prediction app. Is spelling, check with the spelling. I think it is almost correct. Let me copy and paste. Okay, customer satisfaction prediction app. So you have to mention after this your username, that is Veda, and what is the code image you have to enter here. That I'll enter the same customer satisfaction prediction app, and just I'll mention latest, or I'll go with new. Once I tag this, the tag will be done, completed. Once tag is completed, you have to push here tagged image to Docker. For that, Docker push my Docker Hub name Veda and customer customer satisfaction protection app, new. If I just press enter, it will automatically push your image to your Docker Hub. Let us verify. It is pushing. Let us verify this. Now you can see it pushed completely and shows the size of 856 MB. Now if you verify with your Docker Hub, you can see infinite weather, that is customer satisfaction. So this is the new one which I've tagged the tags, and if you want to pull, you can just pull over here, or else you can enter the command docker pull of this name. It will automatically pull this image to your system wherever you want. So this is it about our video, like pushing the Docker image to your Docker Hub. Let us verify once Docker images. Yeah, you have these images. So this is it about the videos, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below in the comment section. I'll post video regarding DevOps techs projects and also basic operation where we are performing in system, and also I'll post more videos on Kali Linux and Linux and Ubuntu. Just tune for my channel's updates on video, guys. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this.